Today we're notching my buddy's lower control arms on his drift Miata. This is the one I already did. As you can see here, it's not super pretty, but this is just a proof of concept. We got the other one here. I've already started cutting it. Forgot to start recording. But here you can see there's an internal structure in here. Basically what you want to do is cut it with the plasma cutter. You can use an angle grinder too. This one was like 120 bucks off Amazon. And then you're gonna break this piece, cut it in half there and break this piece, and then cut it right down here. And then you're gonna cut that piece out and weld it to the inside of there. And I'll show you all that. But once you get this, we're gonna plate this, and they're going on his car. So here we got this cut. Now we need to cut this bar in half. Cut that out so we can put our plate on top. So now we're gonna hit this with the flap disc, smooth it out so we can put our plate on top. I'll smooth it down. Just a piece of 1/4 inch by 2 inch. Nothing special. You just bend that shit.
They joined us last year for about 5 sessions here.
Bend it till it fits and then cut it where it doesn't. That's it. As you can see here, we've got this piece welded in. This side I was a little bit hot, and this side was a lot better. But that's okay, it'll work just fine. Then we're gonna plate it here, and that should be good to go. Just clean it up and paint it. What we're doing next here, these are the Godspeed upper control arms for the MV Miata. We're just gonna brace them like this, because these are, I mean, they'll work just fine, but if you hit something, I don't want them going anywhere. So I just have this pipe here. I'm gonna cut it and then weld it right between here. I'm just gonna cut it at an angle. 2 angles here, if you see. See how this already has an angle on it? And then I'm gonna cut it at another angle, and I'm gonna put it in just like that. Like that. So the angle's right there, and it just sits in there, and then fill in the bottom. That should be good. So here we got the bar put in like this. This is where my ground clamp is gonna go, right there. Just took the paint off. I'm gonna paint over these, but that's it. We're just gonna drop these in, fill it in with weld, and paint it. Should be good. You just got to watch your temperature around that bushing. Don't get it too hot. This distance is 1 inch, so this is 1 inch out from where this weld starts.